Hi, I'm Rose,
And I'm Caroline.
and we're the wife and wife team that created Poplight. We created Poplight because we wanted to make renter-friendly wall lighting easy for everyone. This is Poplight. Each Poplight comes with Poplight, the base that attaches to your wall, and has a built-in level,
A matching USB-C rechargeable battery, and a 6-foot-long charging cable.
Booyah. Let me show you how Poplight works. This is the Poplight base. It has a built-in level, so it's super easy to install. The first thing you do is peel the paper off the tape. This is always easier to do if you have long fingernails. You're almost halfway done. Then you're just going to take the Poplight base and use the level to get it perfect on your wall. Then you just press down firmly on the base to be sure you have a good connection. The next step is to just swivel and click Poplight onto the base. That's it. You just installed a wall light in seconds. Let me show you how the battery pack inserts into Poplight. Poplight is USB-C rechargeable. We knew that in some cases people wouldn't have an outlet near where they wanted their Poplight, so we made the battery pack removable so you can pop it out and recharge it closer to where you do have an outlet. Check this out.
Poplight has some other great features as well. We designed an app for iOS and Android in which you can dim Poplight, set a sleep timer, change your color warmth, group your Poplights so you can control them all at once and give them really fun names. Also, if you are comfortable drilling into your walls, you can make Poplight a more permanent feature in your house using these 3 screw holes. She's got options. Poplight is perfect for first-time homeowners, renters, van lifers, teachers, creepy closets, basically anyone who wants upgraded lighting at a really great price with no hassle for installation.
We're really excited to be submitting this for SheTalks, and we want to tell you a little bit about what we would do with the prize money. The first thing we would do is invest in more product designs for Poplight. This design, the globe light, is our very first Poplight design. We're so excited to get it out there, but we want to create a whole line of Poplight designs that appeal to lots of different customers and different design styles.
We are so excited to be queer women in business and to be part of this community.
Why are we obsessed with doing that?
I don't know, I just think it's funny.
Right.